Hey guys, we're here for another Smash Unbox video, and this one is inspired by our Smasher Imba and Noli asking around X keyboard and Google keyboard. Okay, so this will tell you, as you can see on the screen, I will download the Google keyboard, right? So we'll just quickly install it. It's about well, good rating, as you can see. Well, it's made from Google, so let's download that. So I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. That's why he's asking me to connect to data. So it's only 26 MB. Okay, good internet connection right now, so that's fine. So it will install right away, and then once you open the app, obviously you're gonna get a new icon. Okay, we need to accept that. All right, then it gives you step-by-step procedure. So step one, you just need to enable Gboard. So let's press OK there. But this is my challenge here, guys. It will ask you if you're okay that Google will record all your typing and password. So think about that. Select input, of course, keep it in English. Then you're all set. Okay. Now there are other preferences in the Gboard, so it's up to you what preferences you like. But here I basically turn off the analytics part, which we're gonna get here. Share usage analytics, so it doesn't capture so much data or it uses your mobile phone CPU at the back end. Okay. So once you set up the settings, basically we'll open again the application, but this time we're gonna look at the permissions. Okay, what kind of permissions you will enable. It's really up to you what kind, but basically on my end, I just enable to get into installed apps and permanent notification. The rest, for the meantime, I turn it off unless I need it, depending on while you're using it. Okay, so check on your own preferences on the permissions. Okay, then from here, basically all we're gonna do is test the keyboard. So again, on this Ultra K30 Ultra, I have two keyboard application installed. The X keyboard, the simple one, and this one around is the Gboard, the Google keyboard. So it's very dynamic. It actually has more features. So it's really preference, guys. If you want more features, really Android-like, then I agree with Noli and Imba. This is the way to go. You even have those other features there. So again, hope you like this video. Please share, like, and subscribe. And thank you again. Stay safe. And this is another Smash Unbox. Be safe, guys. Thank you.